BCG Matrix, Product Portfolio Analysis. Hey, Scarecrow here. Today I will talk about BCG Matrix, Product Portfolio Analysis. I will be using iTool for this. Okay. So, let's start. The Boston Consulting Group, BCG Matrix, also known as the Growth Share Matrix, is a portfolio planning tool used to evaluate the strategic position of a business's brand portfolio and its potential. It categorizes products or business units into 4 quadrants based on their market growth rate and relative market share. Here is a breakdown. The 4 quadrants. Stars, high growth, high market share. These are products or business units with high growth potential and a dominant market share. They require significant investment to maintain their position and capitalize on growth opportunities. Eventually, stars will turn into cash cows as market growth slows. Cash cows, low growth, high market share. These are products or business units with a high market share in a mature, low growth market. They generate significant cash flow and require relatively low investment. Cash cows are used to fund other areas of the business, such as stars and question marks. Question marks, high growth, low market share. These are products or business units with high growth potential but a low market share. They require significant investment to increase market share and become stars. Question marks have the potential to become stars or dogs, depending on their performance. Dogs, low growth, low market share. These are products or business units with low growth potential and a low market share. They generate little cash flow and may require significant investment to maintain their position. Dogs are often divested or liquidated. How the BCG matrix works. Identify products or business units. Determine the products or business units to be analyzed. Determine market growth rate. Calculate the market growth rate for each product or business unit. Determine relative market share. Calculate the relative market share for each product or business unit. Plot the products or business units. Plot the products or business units on the matrix based on their market growth rate and relative market share. Develop strategies. Develop strategies for each product or business unit based on its position in the matrix. Strategic implications. Build, question marks invest to increase market share and become stars. Hold, stars and cash cows maintain market share and generate cash flow. Harvest, cash cows maximize short-term cash flow. Divest, dogs and question marks eliminate or sell off products or business units. Benefits of the BCG matrix. Provides a simple and visual framework for portfolio analysis. Helps to prioritize investments and allocate resources effectively. Facilitates strategic decision-making. Limitations. Relies on simplified assumptions. May not be suitable for all industries or businesses. Focuses on market share and growth, ignoring other factors. The BCG matrix is a valuable tool for businesses to assess their product portfolio and make strategic decisions about resource allocation. That's the end. Now, you can check out my other videos.